Hey everyone, it's Edrian Pangilinan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time, do consider subscribing by clicking the bell button to be part of the family. So for today's video, I will be showing you a behind the scenes video for Kim and Keoni's engagement shoot we did in January. It was raining that day. Regardless, it was very fun. I got my youngest sister Chelsea to go with me to film behind the scenes. Let me just say that as much as I love, shooting, the rain definitely caught me by a surprise, as you will see in this behind the scenes video. Check it out.
We should not have brought this backpack.
Shooting in the rain right now. Hope it works out. I'm shooting for Kim and Keoni's engagement shot, so stay closer to each other, pretend you like each other. It feels like that distance. A little bit more towards me. There you go. Yeah. Just like that. There you go. So we don't lose you. You're gonna be like, who's that guy?
Are we supposed to smile or?
One, do whatever it takes for your eyes to be open. Thank you so much. We made it to the end of our photo shoot, all dry and whatnot. But I'm really thankful for the opportunity to photograph their special moments. And I just met Keoni today, and we survived the shoot in the rain.
We don't have hypothermia. Everyone in the water.
Well, I wouldn't know yet, but but yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.